This is Audible.
Disclaimer. Secure Love was written to help struggling couples heal. However, the material in this book is not appropriate or safe for those in abusive relationships. A relationship is considered abusive and unsafe when one partner tries to exert power and control over the other partner with physical violence, emotional manipulation, extreme verbal abuse, sexual coercion, financial control, isolation, and/or intimidation. If you are in an abusive relationship, suspect you may be, or would like to know more about how to define abuse, it is highly recommended that you seek professional guidance. If you want help determining if you're in an abusive relationship or to get guidance as to what to do next, help is immediately available all hours of the day at the National Domestic Violence Hotline, 1-800-799-7233. A PDF of additional material accompanies this program. Simon & Schuster Audio presents Secure Love. Create a relationship that lasts a lifetime. By Julie Menanno. Read by the author.
For my husband Mario and my children, John, Claire, Kate, Meg, Sophie, and Lizzie. Love is a constant process of tuning in, connecting, reading and misreading cues, disconnecting, repairing, and finding deeper connection. It's a dance of meeting and parting and finding each other again, minute to minute and day to day. Sue Johnson. Introduction. I see you. I hear you. I'm safe. I'm on your team. I see you. I hear you. What does a healthy relationship look like? Many of us have wondered this, but now I want you to forget this question forever. Instead, ask yourself, what does a securely attached relationship feel like? If you don't know what a securely attached relationship is, much less what it feels like, that's okay. That's why we're here. By the end of this audiobook, you will know about secure attachment and, more important, what it feels like to be in a relationship that is truly fulfilling. You will no longer have to wonder whether or not your relationship is working, because you will find the answers within yourself. If it's not working, you will learn what needs to change and how to go about changing it. If you're struggling in a relationship, you won't have to ask yourself, is it them or is it me? Or are we just incompatible? You'll be able to make distinctions that are clear and that will provide you with the tools you need to create change. On the deepest level, all humans have the same basic relationship requirements when it comes to enjoying a felt sense of safety and closeness with our loved ones. Underneath our different personalities and insecurities and desires, we all speak the same language, and each of us can learn to work with our own wiring to achieve the relationship harmony we're yearning for, even if we haven't been able to find it on our own. This truth applies if you're single and seeking a relationship, in a relationship that has been struggling for years or decades, just out of a relationship and looking for answers, or somewhere in between. If we all have the same relationship needs, why are love and romance so complicated? The truth is, they don't need to be. The problem is that we live in a world where it's rare for a person to be in touch with their greatest yet most basic needs. Most of us have never learned how to label our needs, and we've never learned to notice our needs on the bodily level on which they occur. Without that awareness and without those words, it's very difficult to accurately and authentically communicate your needs to someone else. And it's equally difficult to be responsive to the needs of your partner